nuts. What a great guy, what oh, such a gallant. Why don't you listen while I tell you about my dear old dad? My dear old dad, when I recall the times that we had. First of all, the Christmas, he struggled all night, put together something that resembled a pie. The time he lost me at the county fair, or when he dropped me at the movies and forgot I was there. Still the best times I ever had, I owe them to my good old dad. It sure was fun the times, my old pa, my dear old pa. Those good old days would never stop. I remember the vacation, we didn't get far. Poor Dad, he wrecked the old car, sure he laughed. The time he hammered his thumb wasn't quite so funny when he paddled my bum. Still the best times I ever had, I owe them to my good old dad. Even though those times have long since gone.